You can also use DeepSeek as a technical troubleshooter if you like. So let's say you face a technical problem, then you can actually go ahead and then message DeepSeek about it. Let's say, for example, you can say, I have an Android, Samsung Android phone, and it's stuck at the boot logo. It does not turn off. What should I do? So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it'll take that particular sentence, and then it says if your Samsung Android phone is stuck at the boot logo and won't turn off, it says force restart the phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously about 10 to 20 modes. Then it says boot into safe mode right here. Press and hold the power button and volume down. And you can see that it starts giving me the solutions to the problem right here, just like this, and what I should do in each case. So if you have a technical problem, you can simply go ahead and ask DeepSeek on what you have to do, and it'll start giving you solutions for that. So that is how you can get technical support using DeepSeek as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.